Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video, I just want to show you real quickly how to see who's working on which work order for your entire fleet. So if we go over here to Forms and then Work Orders List, and then if we go over here to, we're going to search it by labor personnel. And then I'm going to go ahead and back this date up a little bit because this database is a little bit older. We'll apply that. So now we can sort it by the labor employee. So we can see all the work orders that are being worked order are assigned to a specific employee. And if you want to look for a specific employee, you can type in their name here, first name, and it'll automatically wildcard it out. So it'll grab everything with the word Bill in it. And so that's how you find all the work orders that are currently open by an employee. And if we double click on it, we can go in and see all the details of the work order, all the labor items, the parts, and so forth, and make any changes or edits here if we need to. One other thing is on the service by drop down here, we could also sort by or search by that. And it's because some customers are using that instead of the labor completed when they are assigning a work order to an employee. So and that is not pulled from the personnel file. That is pulled from the service by vendors file. Okay, so if we wanted to do a search by service by, we would click on, we would change the search to, so we've chosen something else. If something else is chosen, we go over here to service by and select that. It's going to give us all the service by column. And then if you have a lot of items in there, you could just choose to enter in a specific service by. Now this could be an outside vendor, or if you're using it to just enter in a technician's name in the service by vendor field, you can search by that as well here. And you could see all of the currently open orders that are being done by this person named Jim Smith. All right, hopefully that helps you. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Take care.